In this video, we will learn how to manage job production templates. In our previous video, we demonstrated how to create multiple job cards per job types on the same sales order. We also demonstrated how to assign those job cards per item basis on the sales order. So we can group all the screen print job cards. We can group all embroidery ones and promotional ones for production reasons. Today we're going to show you how to create templates and be able to manage them in terms of updating a template, overwriting or an existing template. So you can use the job card functionality that we have built in and still be able to manage them within the sales order. Here's an example of a sales order that I have with 3 different job types. I have 4 different line items. 2 of them are t-shirts. One is a tumbler, which is a promotional product, and then other one is a hat with an embroidery work on it. So I could open up a particular job card, and let's say for instance I wanted to add another image to this particular job. So I have added a second image, which is an Acumatica tumbler here, and I would like to make sure that this update that I did of adding another image or any information that you have, and you want to save this as the template. So I could do that easily by clicking on create template and creating a new template. Or what if there was a template already there and I would like to overwrite an update? So if you wanted to do an update or overwrite an existing template, you can click on create template or save template, and there is an option over here for you to save to an existing template. If you check this, then you will be presented with all the templates that are there in the system, not just on the sales order, but anywhere in this, or rather I should say anywhere in the sales order or any sales order. So let's go ahead and choose the Yeti tumbler template that I already saved before. So I can open that up, and then I can say, you know what, save to this existing template, the change I just did, which is added another art image. So I can click on OK, and it will prompt me to overwrite the existing template. I would say yes, I would save, and I want to make sure my template is saved. How do I test that out? Well, let's open up the same promotional job card, and this time what we'll do is we will click on the plus sign and try to load the template, which is the tumbler one. And when I click OK, it should overwrite this new template with all the data from the template. So when that happens, it brings in all the information from the previous template. Notice here you see the 2 files. So I want to make sure it's telling me to save it before going ahead and clicking on that. Let's go ahead and save this. So now you can see that that's 2 images. The second image that I added is also brought into from the template. So that's how I was able to create a template, update the template to an existing template, and modify any changes that you have done. So you can quite easily manage all your templates within the same screen. Now you can also do another technique. You can create a new sales order. In here I've created a Printshop template sales order. This is let's say a dummy sales order, right, that I can create, and there are no line items. I can enable all the job types, and then I can actually manage all the templates for all the different designs I might already have ahead of time. So I can load the templates and save them. So I can come in here, I can say here's a screen print one, you know, that I can choose. I can load that and say okay, and I can do any updates I need to do on the job information, or maybe on a location and color, or even the art image I want to upload that. And any changes that I do, I can then say, you know what, create template or save template, and I can say save to an existing template and overwrite. So you can create all the templates ahead of time on a dummy job card and keep them ready. So thereby, when you are getting the real orders for those particular products, your production manager or the salespeople can actually load from an existing template, master that you might already have in place. So you can do this for all the different job types on a dummy sales order called the template sales order, and then be able to manage all your templates. So that's another way of how you can manage templates in the new Printshop version 2.0.